My husband put my bromeliad outside and it got sunburned. What can I do? And this is Geraldine. YouTube. Well, her husband, did the husband do something bad here?
Well,
oh
yeah,
boy.
Kick him out.
He did something bad.
It's just, you can't just take a plant from one environment and throw it into another one. You're gonna get phytotoxicity, and that's what happened. It was just shocked, and it burned it. My question.
You see how she's talking to the guys here on the set? Yeah, you just can't do that.
You can't do that.
All right. Okay.
Well, you can't move a plant.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what plant it is.
Right,
You just can't move a plant from one environment to another that quickly, especially sunshine. If it's not had as much sunshine, like say it was in the house, you can't just move it outside into the sun. It's just too shocking for it. The plant cannot recover from that. And I would like to have seen a picture because I'd like to know how much of the plant is burned.
Right.
Because obviously some of the plant might still be green, and it can live and come out of something like that. Okay. But it depends on how much of the leaves are burned, because you got to think of the plant has got to produce food for itself with chlorophyll, and if it doesn't have enough green to support itself, then that's what's going to cause its demise.
Right. Which can't be cut out.
Yeah, you can cut it out, but you got to have some. You got to think green towards the stem and the roots. If it's green on the tips of it and it's dead in between, that's still not going to help. It's got to be green connected to the stem and the roots, and it might be able to come. It's going to take a while, though. It can take a while to come out of that.
What's wrong with it? You're shaking your head over there.
He's in the doghouse now.
Oh, he's in trouble. All right, Geraldine, be easy on him. Okay, now he knows. He just heard from Miss Joellen, so he can get it right next time, all right? Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. To subscribe, click below.